What's up, Flomies? My name is Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the pizza spin into the reverse vertical figure 8. This is a transition move for beginners, and it's also a transition move to go from a horizontal plane into a vertical plane. Okay, so first we're going to start with the pizza spin. And if you don't know how to do a pizza spin, I did post a tutorial on this account for that. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the pizza spin, and then the pizza spin right now is going counterclockwise on my right hand. And so what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna grab the Flowstar from the inside so that we're going with the Flowstar on this opposite hand. Okay, so we're gonna pop it up, grab it from the inside, and then the first thing that the Flowstar will do, it'll like spin in a horizontal plane on the outside, and so you're gonna just bring it into a reverse vertical figure 8. Okay, so again, it's gonna look like this. Grab it from the inside into a reverse vertical figure 8. If you don't know how to do a reverse vertical figure 8, I did just make a tutorial for this, and it should be on the account. This is a great transition move for beginners and advanced. If this tutorial has helped you, please like and subscribe. Happy flowing!